Hello everyone, it's Bernard here, and this is the newest iPhone for unboxing. So let's see what's in the box. And here it is. This is the iPhone SE 2021 or iPhone SE 5G. I don't know because Apple keeps just calling it iPhone SE. This is the base model in color, in midnight color, and yeah, I think it's a nice one. I will compare it to my iPhone 7, the old one my mother is currently using, to see if this phone is worthy replacement. But I was just curious, I wanted to see this phone in person to be put in the mood, in the hype mode, because yeah, there are a lot of skepticism regarding this model, and yeah, me included. I will do a full review of this phone and battery test, so stay for the battery drain test. I will compare it to the most interesting, competitors, obviously from Apple, because yeah, if you're considering iPhone SE, you're basically considering it for the iOS. So I will be comparing it to iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So yeah, we will see how the battery looks compared to those. And okay, let's take it out of the box. Yes, I gotta admit that, Apple's glass, the production quality, the engineering, it's really on point. Yeah, obviously in the box we don't have charger. It used to come with the previous iPhone SE, but only at the beginning. And recently we only get the USB-C to Lightning cable, which I think it's fine. I honestly don't mind if it's Lightning on one end, as long as it is USB-C, so I can connect it to, fast charging or my MacBook Air. Obviously paperwork, single sticker, SIM ejector tool, and warranty. The usual stuff, nothing really interesting. But the phone itself, it looks almost black, especially on the video, but you can actually see in person that it's such a deep, it is midnight. It is midnight sky, night sky without stars. It's already unlocking. No, it's just a... It is a beauty. It's always a beauty when you unbox it. And I chose the midnight because I already unboxed iPhone SE in the white color or Starlight now, but I think that the white one with black front is also very good and much less fingerprint. Although you might not. Yeah, it's getting sticky real quick. So let's boot this beauty up. And yeah, prepare it for testing. By the way, here's my mother's beaten up iPhone 7 in black color, and now I think you can see the difference. This color is much nicer, much more interesting. The black one is very classy. It's also matte because it's aluminum, so it doesn't support wireless charging, but yeah, it's... Look, this is such an old phone already, and the design between this and this is only, glass back, in fact. Other than that, yeah, it's still, both don't have headphone jack, both don't have physical home button. This one has a screen protector, by the way, so it would look much nicer, without it. I might take it later. And yeah, so anyway, stay for the battery test definitely, and stay for my review, because I will compare the value of this phone with iPhone 11, with iPhone 12 mini, and maybe even other phones in Apple's lineup. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe or give it a like. I will really appreciate it, because it's free for you and means a lot for me. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.